We watch the highlights of today's wedding, the SDE. Let's enjoy.
I'm so classic, 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 classic. Go. I'm one of a kind, nobody does it better. Look at me now, I'm the president. I want it all, yeah, I go better. I'm so classic. I'm so classic. Classic, 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 classic. I'm so classic. Classic, 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 classic. I'm so classic.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is much pleasure that I now introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Kisiljan J.D. Fernandez. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!
Tungalay ko ngarana.
Alam mo kung saan ako unang natok sa'yo? Sa mga mata mo. Ewan ko ba, laging sa mata ko kasi laging naaakit. Pero alam mo, beyond that, ikaw talaga ang naging answered prayer ko. Kasi bago ka dumating, may mga gustong lumapit sa akin. Gustong manligaw, pero halos lahat may bisyo o hindi seryoso sa pananampalataya sa Panginoon.
Tungliham na umaasang
Love, today, standing before you and the people we love, I vow to choose you every single day. I promise to walk beside you through every season, in laughter and tears, in strength and weakness. I will listen with compassion, speak with honesty, and love with everything I am.
tayo na sana dalawa. Siyang huli at hanggang isa. Papatunayan ang unang pag-ibig ay di mawawala.
Love, naalala mo pa ba? Lagi mong sinasabi na ako ang may crush sa'yo. Well, sige na nga. Oo, na-crush kita nung high school tayo. Pero hindi naman yung crush na crush talaga. More like may something sa'yo na hindi ko ma-explain. At matagal ko nang ipinagdarasal na yung taong may matibay na relasyon kay God, yung may respeto at pagmamahal sa pamilya, ang gusto kong mapangasawa. At nakita ko yung lahat sa'yo.
Your dreams will be my dreams, your battles mine to fight alongside with you. I promise to never stop growing with you, to build a home filled with peace, patience, and grace. No matter where life takes us, my heart will always find its home in you.
Kahit wala ka na.
Jane Day, anak, I wish you good luck. I love you, anak. Alam mo kung paano ka namin pinalaki. Ganon din sana ang pagpapalaki mo sa iyong magiging mga anak.
Congratulations! Thank you. Pagbutihin mo.
Thank you, Papa, Mama. Thank you sa lahat.
Ningo, magpakabait ka sa kanya, ha? Huwag kang masyadong suplada at saka laging mamahalin siya.
Oo naman. Suplada talaga ako. Kanyang nagmana.
Sige, wala. Ikaw ang nagmana sa akin ba?
Thank you.
Love, alam kong mahilig ka sa music. Pero ang mahal kasi ng mga gamit for instrument. Kaya sana itong gift ko sa'yo ay magustuhan mo.
This is just a small reminder of how much I cherish you. Not just today, but every day for the rest of our lives. I love you. See you later, Mwah.
bago mo i-open, try mo nga kung kaya mong buhatin ng isang kamay. Di joke lang, open mo na with smile na parang Alden.
Thank you, love, sa gift mo. Magagamit ko talaga to sa school. Thank you very much. See you later. I love you so much with the love of the Lord. Yan.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is much pleasure that I now introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Kisiljan J.D. Fernandez. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!
Simula nang dumating ka sa buhay ko, mas lalo kong na-appreciate ang plano ni Lord. Ang bonus pa, sobrang bait ng pamilya mo. Ikaw ang pinili ko, hindi dahil perfect ka, pero dahil ikaw ang taong nagpapalakas ng pananampalataya ko, ikaw ang nagpaparamdam ng pagmamahal na may respeto, at ikaw ang gusto kong makasama sa lahat ng seasons ng buhay ko. So, I have gift for you, Jasmine, my maid of honor. Thank you. Ate Pamela, Ronaline, Jumela, Hazel, Grace, Amina, Ate Jessica, Norilyn, my best friend, and Aliyah. Ayan, welcome. Welcome po. Thank you, Jonah. Welcome.
This is my sacred promise to be yours completely, faithfully, and forever. And I'd like to end with something from one of our favorite verses na kung saan nakapaloob ang lahat ng gusto kong sabihin sa'yo. But Ruth replied, Una, Brent, Mark, Ramil, Denmark, Joseph, Greg, Kiro, Jomar, and for my best man, Rogelio.
Thank you, bro. Tadan! Oy, 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 oy. Surprise. Thank you, bro.
Congrats, Jonah. You finally found your partner in prayer, your partner in life. Hey!
Congrats, bro. Best wishes be upon you. Congrats. Cheers. Cheers. Nice.
By the Church and by the Republic of the Philippines, I now pronounce you husband and wife in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ.
I promise to love you with patience, grace, and faith. Maging mahirap man o madali ang mga darating, pipiliin pa rin kita araw-araw.
Kung anong mayroon ka, Brother JD, ganun din kay Sister Jonah May. Lagi niyong uunahin ang gawain ng Panginoon upang lalo pa kayong pagpalain. Ang pagpapala ng Diyos ay sapat at tuloy-tuloy, basta wag ninyong kakalimutan ang Diyos.
Where you go, I will go. Where you stay, I will stay. Your people will be my people, and your God, my God. Where you die, I will die, and there I will be buried. I love you.
You may now kiss your bride.
Ngayon, sa harap ng Diyos at ng mga mahal natin sa buhay, buong puso kong sinasabi, ikaw lang, noon, ngayon, at sa habang buhay. I love you with the love of the Lord.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Bigyan ng masigabong palakpakan the highlights of tonight or today's wedding,